Hold on to your hats, folks, because the tech world is about to get a whole lot more interesting. The latest buzz is something that could shake up the digital world in ways we haven't seen before. Elon Musk, the maverick entrepreneur behind Tesla and SpaceX, has just dropped a bombshell. He's planning to buy YouTube for a cool $50 billion. This isn't just another business move. It's a potential game changer for the entire online video ecosystem. Yes, you heard that right. The platform where we go for everything from cat videos to educational tutorials could soon be under the control of one of the most ambitious and unpredictable figures in Silicon Valley. Imagine the possibilities and the changes that could come with such a shift in ownership. This news sent shockwaves across the internet, sparking speculation and debate about what Musk's intentions might be. Social media is ablaze with theories ranging from the plausible to the downright wild. Everyone has an opinion, and the discussions are as heated as they are varied. Is this just another power play by a billionaire with an insatiable appetite for disruption? Or is there a deeper, more strategic vision at play here? Musk has never been one to shy away from bold moves, and this could be his boldest yet. Or does Musk have a genuine vision for the future of online video? Could he be planning to integrate YouTube with his other ventures like Tesla and SpaceX to create a new kind of digital ecosystem? The possibilities are endless and the tech world is buzzing with anticipation. Whatever his motives, one thing's for sure: this acquisition has the potential to reshape the digital landscape as we know it. The integration of Musk's innovative approach with YouTube's vast platform could lead to unprecedented changes in how we consume and create content. The stakes are incredibly high. Financial analysts are already weighing in, predicting how this move could impact the stock market and the broader tech industry. Investors are on edge, watching every development closely. YouTube is more than just a website, it's a cultural phenomenon, a global stage for creativity and information sharing. It's a platform where anyone can become a star, and where ideas can spread like wildfire. The potential for change is enormous. With billions of users worldwide, it's a platform with unparalleled reach and influence. The sheer scale of YouTube means that any changes could have far-reaching implications, affecting not just content creators but viewers and advertisers as well. And now it seems Elon Musk wants to put his own unique stamp on it. Known for his visionary ideas and relentless drive, Musk could bring a new level of innovation to YouTube. What that will look like is anyone's guess, but it's sure to be exciting. This is a developing story, and the world is watching closely to see how it unfolds. News outlets are scrambling to get the latest updates, and every new piece of information is dissected and analyzed in real time. Get ready for a wild ride. The tech world is on the brink of a major shift, and we're all strapped in for the journey. Whether you're a fan of Musk or a skeptic, there's no denying that this is one story you won't want to miss. So why is Elon Musk so keen on getting his hands on YouTube? This question has sparked a whirlwind of speculation and debate across the tech world and beyond. It's a question that's been on everyone's mind since the news of his proposed acquisition broke. The announcement sent shockwaves through the industry, leaving many to wonder about Musk's true intentions. Some speculate it's all about expanding his empire, adding another jewel to his crown of tech companies. With Tesla revolutionizing the automotive industry and SpaceX pushing the boundaries of space exploration, YouTube could be the next frontier for Musk. Others believe Musk sees YouTube as a critical piece of a much larger puzzle, a key to unlocking his vision for a future where technology plays an even more central role in our lives. Imagine a world seamlessly integrated with advanced technology, where every aspect of daily life is enhanced by Musk's innovations. One prominent theory is that Musk views YouTube as a powerful tool for promoting his other ventures. The platform's vast reach and influence could serve as a megaphone for Musk's ambitious projects. Imagine a world where Tesla unveils its latest electric car not with a traditional press conference, but with a live-streamed event on YouTube, hosted by Musk himself. This would not only generate massive publicity but also create a direct line of communication with millions of potential customers. Or picture SpaceX using the platform to broadcast its next rocket launch, captivating a global audience with stunning visuals and behind-the-scenes access. The potential for engagement and excitement is limitless, but Musk's interest in YouTube likely runs far deeper than just marketing. His vision for the platform could be transformative, reshaping how we consume and interact with content. He's spoken at length about his desire to combat what he sees as censorship and control over online speech. Musk has always been a vocal advocate for free speech and open dialogue, and acquiring YouTube could give him the leverage to challenge existing norms. YouTube, with its vast community of creators and commentators, represents a unique opportunity to challenge the status quo and foster a more open and decentralized internet. By empowering creators and reducing barriers to entry, Musk could revolutionize the digital landscape. Of course, there's also the financial incentive. YouTube is a money-making machine, generating billions of dollars in revenue each year. The platform's profitability is undeniable, and Musk's business acumen would certainly recognize this. YouTube's advertising model is one of the most lucrative in the digital world. With billions of users and countless hours of content consumed daily, the potential for ad revenue is staggering. Musk could harness this to fund his other ventures and further his ambitious goals. Musk, ever the astute businessman, undoubtedly recognizes the platform's enormous earning potential. But beyond the financials, it's the strategic value of YouTube that likely intrigues him the most. The platform's influence on culture, communication, and technology is unparalleled, making it a powerful asset in Musk's visionary portfolio. In the end, Musk's potential acquisition of YouTube could be a game-changer not just for his empire, but for the entire digital ecosystem. Whether it's for promoting his ventures, advocating for free speech, or tapping into new revenue streams, Musk's motivations are multifaceted and far-reaching. The world will be watching closely to see how this bold move unfolds. Assuming Musk's acquisition of YouTube comes to fruition, what changes can we expect to see? The possibilities are vast and intriguing. Knowing Musk's penchant for innovation and disruption, it's safe to say that YouTube under his leadership would be anything but business as usual. Musk has a history of shaking up industries, from electric cars with Tesla to space travel with SpaceX. His approach to YouTube would likely be no different. He's already hinted at some of his plans, and they're as ambitious as you might expect. Musk envisions a platform that not only entertains but also educates and empowers its users. One of Musk's top priorities is likely to be giving creators more control over their content and their earnings. This could mean a complete overhaul of the current monetization system. He's criticized YouTube's current monetization system, suggesting that it doesn't adequately reward the very people who make the platform so successful. Musk believes that creators should have a larger share of the revenue pie. Expect to see new features and tools designed to empower creators, potentially including alternative revenue streams and more favorable revenue-sharing arrangements. This could attract a new wave of talent to the platform, eager to take advantage of these improved conditions. Another area where Musk is expected to make his mark is in content moderation. This is a hot-button issue in the tech world, and Musk's approach could be revolutionary. He's been a vocal critic of what he sees as excessive censorship on social media platforms, and he's vowed to make YouTube a bastion of free speech. This could lead to a more open and diverse range of content on the platform. This could mean a more hands-off approach to moderation, relying more on community feedback and less on algorithms. By empowering the community to play a larger role in content moderation, Musk aims to create a more democratic and transparent platform. Musk is also a big believer in the power of artificial intelligence, and it's likely that YouTube would see significant AI integration under his watch. AI could be used to enhance user experience in numerous ways. Think smarter algorithms that can surface more relevant content, advanced tools for creators, and even the possibility of AI-generated content. AI could help creators produce higher quality videos more efficiently, and it could also help users discover content that is more tailored to their interests. Personalized recommendations could become even more accurate, making it easier for users to find videos they love. Creators might have access to AI-driven tools that suggest improvements to their content, or even help with editing and production. The integration of AI could also lead to new interactive features, making the platform more engaging for users. Imagine being able to interact with videos in real time or having AI-generated summaries of long videos. Musk's vision for YouTube is one where technology and creativity intersect to create a platform that is not only entertaining, but also empowering and educational. The future of YouTube under Musk's leadership promises to be exciting and full of potential. As we look forward to these potential changes, one thing is clear. Musk's grand plans for YouTube could redefine the platform and set a new standard for online video sharing. The possibilities are endless, and the world will be watching closely to see how these plans unfold.